Almost either luck or fate, this business got created and developed here. In other areas, you get drowned out by the noise. You come up here and you get a lot of support within this community as a small business. In terms of working with clients and everybody remotely as well, it's important to have that communication and be able to reach out and have that digitally connected touch that didn't exist previously in our lives. AirSuite creates flight operation management software solutions for small to medium-sized aviation companies in Canada and around the world. In 2015, we launched our flagship product called Cirro. Cirro creates automated flight management processes for our end-to-end clients. It really automates the processes of compliance and auditing. As aviation is a highly regulated industry, we fill in the gaps to make sure that our clients can have all of their auditing needs covered and focus their resources on other avenues like generating more revenue for their own businesses. Since incorporating in 2015, we've grown the business. We've got over 3,000 users within the system, covering just a multitude of aviation clients around the world. We have several large clients in Canada. We have people operating in Singapore, Australia, Papua New Guinea, South America. Years ago, it was just a couple of people, just Doug and myself, growing it to a staff of 17 plus people now. We're hoping to double that here, probably in the next year and a half, if we can. I don't know, if 15, 20 years ago you'd be able to operate a business like this in this community. As time progressed, more high-speed internet services, became the standard up here. Probably one of the biggest moves was when Tbaytel put in the fiber optic network. For companies like us, I'm moving terabytes of data in and out of our servers locally and to our remote cloud environments on a monthly basis. When we're having our online meetings and working with a remote workforce as well, it's been absolutely crucial. You want to have that face. You want to be able to see these videos. You want to be able to interact. You want to have that connection and feel connected to these people. I think it's not just about, having the remote workers and the remote teams as well. It's really a consideration of the entire workforce. Finding ways to encourage the synergies between the employees themselves, whether they're, taking breaks to play some games or, share some funny video clips or anything like that. Certainly been a key part of our business endeavors. Having a large family such as myself, there's nothing more important than that. If family's calling you, you answer the call and you take it. I like to invest heavily in that kind of attitude and that kind of culture within the company. I wanted to, provide a very compassionate atmosphere. They're not just employees, they're basically family members to me. It's through a lot of the community support and a lot of the community networks that really inspired us to build the business here, but also naturally keep it here as well. I can't imagine going anywhere else in the world. This has been a fantastic place to raise my children. It's had just all of the opportunities that they require as children to become good citizens and make good friends. It was a real unique experience for me as my family grew and I grew. I don't really have, roots here or anything like that, but I could certainly say that after 6 children with my wife and 15 years in the community, that we've planted roots here and we're here to stay.